If your touchpad is not working, I'll show you the quick and easy way how you can help fix this. If your touchpad issue is not caused by hardware, then we'll try to fix it by software. You want to go to the search bar down here and you want to search up Device Manager. On Device Manager, just click on it. Let's full screen it so you can see it better. Now, on here, you want to find the option called Human Interface Devices. Just uncollapse that. Now, from here, you just want to find your touchpad device. Just skim through this list. There you see, there's the HD compliant touchpad. Now, just click on that, and then I want you to right click. Now, on right click, you'll see that there's a couple of devices or a couple of options that we can pick from here. First off, you want to update driver. Now on update driver, just click on search automatically for drivers. Now you can see my touchpad is working and I already have the best drivers installed, so there's no problem with that, right? So to try this first, and if your driver is outdated, that might be why your touchpad isn't working. If all else fails, just click on uninstall device and restart your PC, and then your Windows laptop will give it a new fresh driver, and that might work as well. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.